Knob Creek. Anyway, it's a whiskey. Y'all know me. I would tell y'all you can smell the caramel and all that, but I'm not that good yet. I'm getting there. Alright, so this is definitely going on the shelf from now on. Big bottle time. It's a good whiskey. I mean, you know how whiskey tastes. Straight whiskey. Sitting at the house, on the couch, watching the game. Well, who knows when the game will be back on. But whatever you watching, if you want to just come home from work, sit down, chill. I get this a hell yeah for. Cause we definitely gonna finish that. It's definitely a sit back and chill type drink. It's good, neat. So I would definitely say on the rocks it cools it down, takes some of that heat off of it. So